I'm the Shady Plumber, your worst nightmare. Call me, you never know what you're gonna get. I'm here to fix your plumbing.
I'm having issues with my sink. I don't know what happened. It was fine yesterday, and I don't know, came here and it was back like this.
So here's your problem, but looking at this, your sink needs to be replaced also.
Well, I only called you for the garbage disposal.
Oh, the garbage disposal? This garbage disposal is like 15 years old. I see your angle stops are leaking. Everything under here needs to be replaced. So for like $8,500, I can get you back up and running.
What? You're out of your mind. Get out of here.
Plumbing, how can we help you?
I just had a terrible experience with a plumber. I just need my garbage disposal fixed. Can you guys please help me?
Okay, we'll send someone right away.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Hi, Javier, Biggie's Plumbing.
Hi. So nice
Here's
to
my
meet you.
card. Is my truck parked okay?
Yeah, that looks great.
All right, do you mind if I come in?
Yes, please.
All right, let me get my booties on.